Roofers, satellite dish, solar panel installers, roof cleaners, and insurance adjusters all face a common necessity: ascending onto roofs. That's precisely why they could benefit from a specialized safety harness tailored for pitched roofs. This device boasts swift installation. Once practiced, it can be set up in just 7 minutes. A fundamental kit for a single individual usually comes to about $1,500, encompassing all vital components such as a 6 or 9 meter rope. Moreover, it heightens productivity by 30% when compared with similar products. Are you still employing the conventional method to change light bulbs, using a chair or ladder? Well, professional users now have a safer alternative. This device is equipped with telescopic handles spanning from 1.2 to 6 meters in length, ensuring secure handling even for compact fluorescent lamps. With its adaptable grips, you can acquire a set that comprises a 3.3 meter handle and 5 grips for $50. The creators of this clamp market it as a pioneering method for hoisting corrugated scaffold sheets, aptly named the crab clamp. It amalgamates simplicity, convenience, and safety seamlessly. Its adaptable width allows the crab clamp to securely grip up to 10 sheets, which is 40% more than competing clamps. Operating the crab clamp necessitates only 2 individuals, thereby reducing labor costs. Weighing in at 3.5 kilograms, working with it notably eases the task. The crab clamp is available for purchase at a price of $200. This spotlight is designed to illuminate your workspace effectively. In one of its variations, the battery life lasts for 4.5 hours. It offers adjustable brightness ranging from 1,500 to 5,000 lumens. The tripod can extend to a height of 1.9 meters, providing versatile positioning. Additionally, the spotlight itself weighs 5.2 kilograms, ensuring stability during use. The company manufacturing this tool doesn't boast it as a groundbreaking innovation. Nevertheless, it's a handy tool for gardeners to underground utility installers. This tool serves multiple practical purposes. It delicately cleans tree roots, loosens and aerates soil, and precisely locates underground pipes and cables without causing any damage. Utilizing a special nozzle, it generates an exceptionally swift air blast, reaching twice the speed of sound. Moreover, it includes an adapter that enables directing the blast at a 45-degree angle, enhancing speed and comfort during work. The specifications and pricing of the AirSpade vary depending on the model. For instance, the AirSpade 5000 can produce up to 6.4 cubic meters of airflow per minute and typically costs around $3,000. This system facilitates vacuum testing for identifying leaks in roofing membranes, crafted from materials such as HDPE, vinyl, EPDM, and similar substances. Weighing 7.7 kilograms, it incorporates a VRF flow valve, allowing accurate regulation of vacuum pressure. Its feature enables meticulous inspection, even for thin membranes. These ramps offer remarkable versatility, serving as a significant aid for delivery services to motorcycle owners, restaurant and cafe proprietors, and various other users. The standout feature is the ramp's customizable length, adapting precisely to individual needs. With a sturdy capacity of supporting up to 453 kilograms, and the added benefit of easy storage through roll-up capability, it proves highly practical. Moreover, its intelligent design prevents slippage and water collection. The manufacturer emphasizes reliability and provides a user-friendly configurator on their website for tailoring the ideal ramp. An estimated price for a 2.7-meter-long ramp averages around $1,200. Multi-tools frequently feature in our videos, but this multi-table stands out as a recent addition. Beyond its primary functions, it serves as a step, a dolly, and a creeper. Ranging in height from 9 to 77 centimeters, it boasts a double-sided tabletop and is equipped with 3 110V outlets. This versatile table is available for purchase at a price of $194. This versatile nozzle is ideal for cleaning various grimy surfaces, from bike or car rims to carpets and even filters. Despite its compact size of just 160 grams, it boasts a maximum working pressure of 12 bar, showcasing its versatility. With an optimal performance when paired with a 10mm hose diameter, it seamlessly connects with various compressors. You can purchase this nozzle for $43. The Milwaukee threading tool presents a pleasant surprise. It's not only cordless but also compatible with accessories from other brands. Designed for pipes spanning from 3.2 to 51 millimeters in diameter, a single charge accommodates 60 operations on 12.7 millimeters diameter pipes. This versatile tool is available for purchase at a price of $2,295. Milwaukee has introduced a new cordless plate compactor, available for pre-order, with notable features already unveiled. Powered by Milwaukee's highly esteemed MX fuel batteries, this tool is envisioned to eventually supplant gasoline-powered equipment. A single battery sustains the plate compactor for 464 square meters, or 35 minutes of uninterrupted operation. Measuring 56 by 51 by 58 centimeters and weighing 74 kilograms, it also integrates compatibility with the One-Key system, enabling real-time monitoring of the tool's status and location through your smartphone. These blowers are utilized in auto repair shops, specifically for drying various coatings, including car enamel. A single Walcom 6150 blower offers a significant 40% increase in airflow, elevating the pressure to 3 bar and reaching an airflow of 265 liters per minute. This blower is available for purchase at a price of $102. Bosch remains at the forefront of practical innovations, as evidenced by their long-standing and successful detector in the market. This device boasts impressive features, capable of detecting metal objects and walls up to 10 centimeters deep, live cables up to 5 centimeters deep, and reinforcing structures and drywall up to 2.5 centimeters deep. Bosch has ensured user-friendly operation by translating the detector's menu into multiple languages and incorporating both light and sound indicators for added convenience. This highly functional detector is priced at around $80. The dot shot dispenser has gained popularity among warehouses and packaging shops due to its excellent performance, notably with cans and plastic bottles. It creates a line of glued dots, spaced 3.2 millimeters apart, with the dot size adapting to the materials being glued. Priced at $80, additional expenses include $18 for a roll of tape. Holmatro is renowned not just for its industrial tools but also for its rescue equipment, such as the Metro 511 and the Metro 5117. These tools function as versatile multi-tools, proficient in squeezing, spreading, and cutting. Notably, both tools are offered in cordless versions, enabling quick readiness for work. The cordless Holmatro 511 Eveook 3 boasts an estimated cutting force of around 27 tons and a maximum spreading force of 21.5 tons, enhancing efficiency and speed during operations.